Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to self-install the COX internet, activate modem and router step by step. So first one, unpack your self-install kit. So make sure you have a COX gateway or modem, power adapter, coaxial cable, ethernet cable and quick start guide. Step 2, connect the coaxial cable. So find an active cable wall outlet. Now connect one end of the coaxial cable to the wall outlet and connect the other end to the cable port on your gateway or modem. Hand tighten both connections. Fix 3, plug in the gateway. So connect the power adapter to the gateway, plug it into a power outlet and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the device to boot completely. The online or internet light should become solid. The fix 4, connect your device. So join the default Wi-Fi network printer on the gateway label or connect your computer directly using the including Ethernet cable. The fix 5, activate your internet service. Open a web browser on the connected devices and follow the on-screen activation instruction. Now sign in with your the Cox account to complete activation. If activation does not start automatically, use Coxial online activation page. Fix 6, set up your Wi-Fi. So create a customer Wi-Fi network name SSID. Choose a strong Wi-Fi password and save the settings and connect all your wireless device using the new credentials. Then test your internet connection. So open a few websites or run a internet speed test. Then confirm that both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections are working properly. Goodbye and thanks for watching.